Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, afternoon, or evening. My name is Azina Husnuami Ode, and I'm here alongside my teammates Evelyn Febriani and Yuan Maherta. Together, we are Team Star. Today, we are proud to introduce our project Big Ticket Integration. First of all, I will present the big ticketing solution, an integrated ticketing system developed by our team, a big data and AI platform owned by PT Telkom Indonesia. This project focuses on transforming internal communication and addressing technical request issue effectively. This is an innovation solution designed to address challenge in request management by creating a platform that is efficient, organized, and seamless. With this system, we aim to empower organizations to collaborate more effectively and boost overall projection. Let's begin our presentation. Geekbox provide end-to-end solution to manage complex data for various sectors. However, technical requests between non-technical and development teams are handled manually through platforms like WhatsApp, causing inefficiency and lack of documentation. This presents an opportunity to create an integrated system to streamline the process. To address this issue, the system must ensure efficient and automation, integrate with internal system, and centralize documentation. This feature will facilitate faster processing, seamless workflow, and improve tracking for technical requests. Our solution over online request submission, high operational capacity, robust data security, and 24/7 availability. It also provides real-time notification, tracking, and analytic for reporting purpose, ensuring end-to-end process improvement. We assume stable organization strategy and IT costs during the project. Human resource and technical infrastructure will remain consistent, enabling smooth execution of the project goals. However, the project will not involve legacy system integration or physical infrastructure development. The project aims to enhance operational efficiently, reduce costs, and improve employee certification by creating an integrated ticketing system. Key technology objectives include data security, system accessibility, and real-time notification. This project is focused on improving internal operation at Big Box, creating an integrated ticketing system. The scope includes supporting regional unit, enabling centralized tracking, real-time notification, and integration with internal system. However, the project will not involve physical infrastructure development, legacy system integration, or historical data management. Our project is divided into four stages: initiation to define goals, planning for resource allocation and risk management, execution to develop, test, and implement the system, and the last is closure for evaluating and project handover. The solution will not only streamline internal communication, but also enhance decision-making process and operational efficiency, standing out in the market with its innovation approach. Last is, in conclusion, the big ticket integration system address critical internal communication challenge, ensuring efficiently, scalability, and robust documentation. We believe this will significantly transform operation at Big Box.
Hi, my name is Evelyn. I'm going to explain about scheduling, financial costs, and resources that needed in this project. First thing first, project scheduling, the big ticket integration, is divided into four main phases, including initiation, planning, execution, and closure. The project begins with the initiation phase on September 16, 2024, which involve activities like gathering business requirement, forming the project team, and drafting the project charter. This phase concludes on September 24. The planning phase starts immediately after, on September 24, and focuses on developing the work breakdown structure, creating a quality plan, identifying risks, mitigation strategy, and scheduling activity. This phase wrap up by October 8. Next, the execution phase begins on October 8 and runs until December 15th. During this time, the system design, development, and testing are carried out to ensure its functionality and readiness. Finally, the closing phase takes place from December 10th to December 15th, covering evaluation, handover, implementation, and user training. Okay, the next is scheduling milestone. This is the table of the milestone. Next, this is the table of scheduling dependency. Activities like initiation, planning, and execution are critically important, but the closing activity is a medium. Okay, next, let's talk about the project cost. The total cost for the big ticket integration project is estimated at 203,372,400 rupiah. This is divided into four several components such as labor costs, equipment costs, material costs, and contingency. Let's talk about the labor costs. Labor costs, which includes salary for the project teams such as the project manager, project review group, IT manager, finance manager, back-end and front-end developers, and quality assurance. Total 160,050,000 rupiah. Meanwhile, the equipment costs, which include renting three computers, one router, and one hosting services, meeting room rental for 3 months, and several license for tools like Figma, Jira, and Canva, amount to 23,434,000 rupiah. Next, this is the material cost. Material cost covering documentation report and a manual book for user training, with a total of 1,400,000 rupiah. Additionally, 10% of the initial budget is allocated as a contingency fund to manage unforeseen expenses. This is the detail of table financial plan resource-based scheduling start from September until December. This is a table of project activities based on the project life cycle. Next, this is the detailed table regarding the human resource mentioned earlier. This table includes information such as the role, number of people, skill set, start date, end date, and the percentage of effort for each role. For example, the project sponsor in this project is just one person, and their effort is 75% of the total. You can find further detail about the other roles on the table. Now, let's talk about the resources for the big ticket project. There are three main types of resources: human resources, equipment, and material. Here is the organizational structure of the big ticket integration project. The project is led by Pramudia, who is both the project sponsor and the CEO. This means Pramudia has the overall responsibility for ensuring the project success. Below Pramudia, there is a project review group led by Gempar. This group is in charge of overseeing the project progress and making sure everything stays on track. The day-to-day management of the project is handled by Yuan, the project manager. Yuan is responsible for planning, organizing, and controlling all the activity within the project. Yuan supervises two main departments, which is IT department and financial department. IT department led by Aza. This department handles all the technical aspects of the project, include front-end developer Aslam, back-end developer Dinda, UI UX designer Farah, quality assurance Resta. And then there's a financial department led by Evelyn. This department takes care all of the financial aspects such as budgeting and cost control. Next, here a detailed table containing the equipment resources, which include the item, quantity, purpose, specifications, start date, and end date. For example, we need three computers to help plan, monitor, control, and assist in developing the website. The minimum specification for each computer includes 16 GB of RAM, among other requirements. For more detailed information, please refer to the table. The last part of the resources in this project is material. The material table includes the item, component, quantity, start date, and end date. In this project, we need items such as report and documentation, which include notes for each project phase, decision to be made, and the expected outcome. We will have three documents for this purpose. Additionally, we require a manual book to provide complete guidance for user on how to operate the website. This manual will help with user training and ensure smooth adoption of the system.
Hello, I'm Yuan, and I will explain the quality management of the big ticket integration project. It includes four indicators: project requirement, deliverables, quality criteria, and quality standard. This is even requirements cover the business process model, feature specification, roles, software, hardware, and training. Quality management is designed to ensure a high quality website that meets the needs of people employees. Okay, in the next, the quality assurance plan for the big ticket integration project includes several key techniques. This technique work together to ensure the project meets the established quality standard by leveraging historical data, clearly defining requirements and standards, ensuring the involvement of skilled staff, conducting regular quality review, and carefully managing change. This plan aims to deliver outcomes that meet quality expectation and reduce potential risk. Okay, the quality control plan for the big ticket integration project includes key activities: peer review every week, deliverable review after each deliverable is complete, documentation review every month, and checkpoint review at the end of each project week. These activities ensure the quality and progress of the project are maintained. After discussing quality management, it's time to address the potential risks in this project. The highest risk is likely to occur the category of people risk, particularly conflict between department regarding system functionality decision. On the other hand, the low risk is in the category of technology risk, concerning the incompatibility of the new system with existing devices. After identifying potential risks, the project team has developed mitigation measures aimed at anticipating these risks during project implementation. These measures are designed to minimize potential negative impact and ensure the project stay on track. With this proactive approach, the project team can effectively manage risk, maintain quality, and ensure smooth project implementation. The project procurement plan for the big ticket integration project aims to ensure that all project needs, both goods and services, are procured efficiently and meet established quality standards. This plan includes identifying requirements, selecting vendor or services provider such as hosting with hostinger. The main focus is to secure resources on time at cost-efficient rates and with the required quality to support the successful execution of the project. The big ticket integration project involves key stakeholders to ensure its success. The project sponsor, CO for strategic direction, the project manager for execution and research management, the project review group for progress evaluation and quality assurance, the finance manager for budget oversight, and the IT leader for technical guidance and system integration. Clear communication and regular updates are priorities to maintain alignment and stakeholder engagement throughout the project. After explaining the roles of each stakeholder, let's take a look at the key individuals behind these crucial roles in this project. Pramudia serves as the project sponsor, and I, Yuan, as a project manager. Gempar is part of the project review group, Evelyn is the finance manager, and Aza is the IT leader. All of whom contribute to successful implementation of the project. In conclusion, the Big Ticket Integration Project represents a strategic step toward achieving efficient, organized, and seamless request management. With the collaboration of the entire time, we are confident this project will deliver optimal solution to support more integrated and effective operation. Big ticket integration, effective, organized, and seamless request management. Thank you.